I'm Evelyn Coggs, and I never thought I'd revolutionize steampunk fashion. Growing up fascinated by gears and Victorian aesthetics, the fashion world laughed at my ideas. Rejection after rejection, I almost gave up. Then, staring at my grandfather's old pocket watch, inspiration struck. What if clothes could move and tick like the inner workings of a clock? I worked tirelessly, creating designs both functional and fantastical. At my first show, as the curtains parted, the audience gasped in awe. In that moment, steampunk fashion wasn't just a niche, it was the future. Now my designs grace runways and streets alike. Remember, in fashion or any dream, never let anyone wind you down.